Hey everybody, this is Mr. Roche. I just want to finish up with the spiraling stars thing. Okay, because right now we have this kind of situation, but I wanted to sort of fix it. And like you can see what it's doing. It's kind of like spiraling on itself as it goes forward and up, which is actually kind of cool in its own right. Um, but and it would be kind of cool to keep it doing like the loops and stuff like that, but it's not doing that. Um, I think what's going on with it is that we just have to kind of add a line to it. And I think what happens is when the star gets drawn, it doesn't always go back to the original place where it started. Okay. And one of the places we could fix that is here because we know where the star is supposed to be. Okay. So, like basically after you hide the turtle, like in inside draw star. Okay, so I'm inside this routine. We have this other routine, draw spiral stars. Okay, and we're letting that be. And we can go like this inside draw star. So you can see that yours is called make star. So it's draw star, make star. Go here and just go T, go to X loc and Y loc. And then it'll spiral for you. Okay, so you can see mine, it's kind of spiraling, but it's spiraling the right way now because it's not, it's staying, it goes back to where it started from, and then it can kind of just do these spirals. Okay, my spiral is a little bit big, okay, and so it's hard to see the kind of the conference or confluence of cool things, but we can go back here and change the angle, or you can change the forward, you can change this. So I want you guys to make your own cool pattern. So spend a little time making it. Don't make yours look like this. You can change this, or you can change this. These are the two kind of controls you have to change star stuff, okay? So like if I make this to be a higher angle, it'll turn faster. That's what it's saying, okay? So you can see my spiral is now like more spirally because the angle is changing harder around the stars. Okay, and like if I made this like really hard, like I don't know, go to like 45 maybe, like that's looking like more of a cool pattern. Let me see what happens here. So what I want you guys to do is find some interesting pattern with your stars. Like this is more jumbly, so I don't know if this is what I want, but we'll see. And you could also change the sizes of them. That's kind of nice. Look at that. Hey. Show me what you have, okay? And I guess for this, you could actually like give me a screenshot of your code or show me the pattern. Nah. I guess send me your trinket. Let me see. Like make a copy of your trinket. Like make sure you're making a copy of the trinket and send me a copy of it, okay? That's kind of cool. All right. I will